What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to add some simple code to Microsoft makecode Arcade. So you're going to want to click create a new project, and this is what it looks like by default. So we are going to click sprites. We're going to drag set my sprite to blank kind of sprite. You can draw here. Just gonna make a simple little person. Erases right there. Oh, and so that color in the back, you can click to switch colors. You can also left click to put down the color in the back. So there's our head. Hold on. Oh. I'm gonna switch the back for transparent so I can erase without going to the erase button. Hold on. Okay. There is our simple little sprite. I'm going to use the fill tool. And let's get color. And some nice little eyes. And a mouth. And of course, some arms. Hold on. Okay, there is our little person. I'm going to click done. It is not very good. And it will pop up here. And we are also going to go to scene and drag set background image to or set background color to. I'm going to select set background color to because I'm just going to leave it as one solid color. So now there is our player. We're going to go to controller and move my sprite with buttons. You can add this or remove it. I'm going to remove it. Okay, now if you use your arrows, you can move your player. So now if you want to add some walls, you go to, was it scene? I think it was scene. No, I think it was game. Nope, it was scene. Okay, we're going to drag tile map here. And we're going to go to dungeon. Let's see. Blocks. I need brick blocks. Okay, they don't have that in dungeon. Forest. They don't have that in forest either, so it's going to be that one. Yes, that's the one. I'm just going to create a border right here. And I'm going to add some platforms. So the thing is, we didn't add any sort of things like gravity yet, so the person can just float around. I'm going to select this wall thing, and you're going to trace over the blocks that are going to be walls so your player doesn't go through them. Okay, we're going to click done. There. Wait, our player's stuck in a wall. Wait, no, it's not. There we go. So there is our little thing. Oh, and we're going to go to controller. Or was it sprites? I think it's game.
A few moments later.
Where it is.
2 hours later.
Okay, I was right. No, I was not. It was insane. Now let's check out our code. Okay, our player's stuck in the wall again. Okay, now it's out. So now our camera follows our sprite. And that is how you add some simple code to, well, this isn't really a game, but a game in progress. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. That'll help me out a lot. Thanks. See you next time.